I'm gonna tie a strap to that tree so it doesn't pull the car into the pond. I'm gonna put those blocks in front of the tires to keep the rear end off the ground. Putting this rim on the driver's side, and I'm gonna wrap this line around this rim, and then all the way over there where they're putting in the jet ski is gonna be a wakeboarder, and I'm gonna pull them up with the Camaro on a wakeboard. So I'm gonna put tension on it, see where it goes. Keep going.
As much tension to get the rope out of the water. You're just gonna have to hammer it, dude. Whatever you think 18 mile an hour is. Okay, slow down. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Now you're straight.
Hold on, slow up. Okay, you're gonna have to hammer it, Blake.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. The water's cold, Blake.
We need a bigger rope, Blake. 1,500 pound strength mine. Yeah, we need a bigger rope. We got a different string. The string last time says it was rated to like 1,500 pounds. It definitely wasn't. So I actually bought some legit shark fishing line. Balls is all the way over there pulling the string. We got everything set up. The rim mounted. The string spooled up a little bit.
You can put a little bit more tension on it, not crazy.
All right, so floor it. Tell me when.
There you go.
That's good.
That's perfect.
All right, we're ready. Just hammer it again.
All right. Ready and now.
Whoa. All right. Oh my God. How can we get 10 wakeboard ropes?
I have no idea where the rope is at, but hopefully they have something that we can use.
All right, guys, we spent way too much money on rope, but we've got the rope hooked up. It's a lot thicker.
In the lake again.
Tell me just gonna have to go.
What's that?
Go.
Go.
Yeah, we got an issue. Dude, how's it coming under here, dude? I only fail about 74 times. It's a big predicament.
All right, what is it?
For some reason, the way that the rear end is designed,
Okay.
it's only, the posi track only works when you're going forward and not in reverse, and I didn't think about that part. So, new idea. I can't get that undone, so we're gonna take it off the blocks. We're running out of sunlight, if you can't tell. I'm gonna put this tire back on it. I'm gonna go all the way over there, and I'm gonna hook the string just to the back bumper of the car, and I'm just gonna pull them up with the car on the ground and just driving down the driveway.
This don't work. I don't know what will.
Tying a good old knot in there. So the idea, when he says he's ready and the slack's off of it, I'm gonna get up to like 18 mile an hour as best I can, and I'm gonna pull right down in between that tree and then down the driveway. I know the rope's gonna get tangled up in some things. I am not ending this day without someone going across this pond. If it gets caught up, hopefully it doesn't rip off my bumper, but that's a risk I'm willing to take. All right, the plan is we got this rope hooked up to the bumper of my car, came on that dock over there. Now I'm gonna drive it down the driveway and have him right across the pond on the wakeboard. Ready?
Yeah.
18 mile an hour. Ready?
Okay, we've got this now.
that the first time.
So how'd it ride?
Pretty smooth. We should have did that the first time.